What a Savior, my Redeemer, friend of sinners, one like me. Oh, what kindness, suffered blindness, healed my blindness, and set me free. Oh, what grace I found in you, my Jesus, that my soul should entertain your greatness. And should this life hold nothing but my Savior, I will praise you always. Heaven's glory, come on, clothed in mercy, knew my story, yet took my hand. And oh, our freedom, hope like heaven, now forgiven, I will rise again. What grace I found in you, my Jesus, that my soul should entertain your greatness. And should this life hold nothing but my Savior, I will praise you always. And oh, what grace I found in you, my Jesus, that my soul should entertain your greatness. Should this life hold nothing but my Savior, I will praise you always. I will praise you life I live hold nothing but the cross where Jesus took my shame. And with arms stretched wide and my head held high, my every breath will sing again. This life I live hold nothing but the cross where Jesus took my shame. And with arms stretched wide and my head held high, my every breath will sing again. Life I live
Nandito kami ngayon sa Puerto Galera sa may Rex's Place Bed and Breakfast dito sa Puerto Galera sa may White Beach. Ayan. Wala kami kakatiwala dito?
Sir,
Ikaw katiwala o may-ari?
dito sir sa building.
Ayan, kaway ka. Iyan natin sa YouTube yan. Ano yan, promo yan. Kasi libre promo yan. Maganda yung kwarto, 1,000. Pero hindi po siya pare-parehas pag peak season lumalaki. Kaya na kayo mag-inquire. Pagka gusto nyo po na booking, text nyo po ako para meron ba akong discount doon? Meron ba akong doon? Pagka meron may porsyento. Ayan po. Hindi ko na guide sa makikita nyo naman sa picture yun eh. Ayan. Ganda po ng aming hotel. Bago. Mga ilang taon na yan Ilang taon na nagawa?
Yun sir, hindi kasi biglang isang direct.
Pero yung kabuuan nyo yung buong na.
Nag-start siya ng 2007, 2008.
Ah, ganun. So, ibig sabihin paunti-unti lang. Okay.
Yung una,
Yan.
second floor.
Ito yung kanilang kanilang parking.
Parang nakapackage po na
Ngayon po ay October 20. Yan, pupunta kami ng Occidental ngayon. Pakapi pala si Mayor eh. May pakapi. Wala lang akong cup. Dapat pala bumili ako ng cup. Ayan po. Good morning po sa lahat. Ayan, babiyahe na naman kami. Tapos na po ang journey namin dito sa Puerto Galera. Ayan. Ito yung place. Ayan. Ayan. Ito po yung Rex's Place. Rex's Place. Ayan. 1,000. Meron pong family. Meron pong apartment. May waluhan. Ayan. Ayan. Taas, nakita nyo na yan. Nakita ko ba ng video? Patay sa hagdan. Hanggang 3rd floor, ay 4th floor pala. Ito yung aming kwarto. Hanggang 2. Yan yung room. Maganda siya. 1,000. Sige po, ayan. Nakita nyo na po. May TV, may ventilador, may kama, may CR. Ito yung CR. Kita ba? Ayan. Yung bowl. May shower. Ayan po. So, good morning po. Ayan po ulit. Ito nang galing. So, may parking. Ayan. Sana po nag-subscribe kayo at nagko-comment. Paki-like na rin po yung aking channel. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan pindutin yung subscribe para kapag ka po mayroon akong upload na video notify po kayo. Tapos huwag niyo po kalimutan yung bell para lahat po napapanood. Ayan po, salamat ulit.